Hi, I'm Peter Doe, and my review report is based on sustainability practice in the construction industry. Here's my outline. We will be talking about a background of sustainability construction as well as an introduction to it. Next, we'll talk about the key research question. After that, following key words as well as results of my review. Then there would be discussion as well as conclusion where I will talk about a certain limitation that's currently going on. So, sustainable construction involves the delivery of buildings, structures, and their surrounding infrastructures in such way that it maximizes the efficient use of resources, reduce energy consumption, and minimize their environmental impact. Now, from this graph, we could see that from 2021 to 2024, there's a huge increase in green strategies being implemented throughout every construction project in the U.S. This survey was done by the U.S. Green Building Council. Now, five factors to identify how successful a sustainable construction project is the first one would be environmental factor. The second, project management factor. Third, design and technological innovation factor. Fourth, project-based and setting factors. And lastly, the fifth factor is the human-related factors. So what is the current best practice of sustainable construction? In the US, developed by the US Green Building Council, there's a LEED certification. This certification is based on a point system on different categories of sustainability. These categories are location and transportation, sustainable sites, water efficiency, energy and atmosphere, material and resources, indoor environmental quality, innovation, regional priority, and integrative process. Currently, there are no federal tax credit for big commercial buildings, such as there are for homes with the 45L tax credit for energy efficient homes. However, there are some states in the US that promote green building and sustainable construction and have their own tax credit, such as Oregon. Now, the Oregon Sustainable Building Tax Credit, which it grants large tax credit based on the LEED rating that buildings get. This tax credit is based on the amount of square footage of the entire building, unlike traditional tax credit, which is based on cost. In the UK, instead of tax credit, there's a tax disincentive, which increase tax for those construction that doesn't implement sustainable construction. In my research findings, here are a couple of challenges and opportunities in sustainable construction we face today. One is the initial higher cost of construction. Two, material not easily available. Three, recycled material quality might not be up to par. Four, design might not be aligned with what a stakeholder wants. Now, the opportunity for sustainable construction are material saving due to reuse, recycle, or conversion of waste into valuable form, safer working condition, lower energy consumption, and lower life cycle cost. Key words I use for this review is sustainable construction, carbon footprint, green building, energy efficiency, and natural materials. As you can see from the graph, there has been a significant increase in publication on sustainable construction from 2015 of about 74,000 publications to 2023 of over 274,000 publications on sustainable construction. From my readings, I found that most developers and construction projects are looked at a linear plane, whereas it's design, cost to build, and finally the final build, the final project, where it should be looked at as a cyclical plane, where environmental factor, human related factor, design factors, project based factors, and project management factors all play a part in sustainable construction. This review shows that local government must start implementing sustainable construction. Further education is needed to help local government, federal government, developers understand the cost-saving benefit of sustainable construction.